Before we start today, we have to do some cleaning. Plan for today is to raise the car up so I can work on the frame rate. Yeah, so today I raised the car higher up, just so I can get to work with the transmission tunnel. I need to remove the fuel. There's still fuel in the lines and still fuel in the tank. But I don't have any solution for that right now. I could use a tube and just suck it out. But I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna start sucking. Hur i helvete ska jag göra då? Let's Google that shit. Problem. So that's done. I've drained the fuel. There's a 17 under the tank here. There it is. So that's done. Try to clean it up as much as I can. The fuel is all drained. Next time I will start cutting because the fumes has to set before I start cutting. There's that, I think. I got a brutal headache right now. Most likely due to the gasoline fumes. I will try to get the subframe done so I can mount it again, so I get the engine in the correct place, mark some more on the firewall and start cutting firewall out. The gearbox tunnel must be cut up also. Yeah, so I saw something. This side was the side my girlfriend worked on. Nice. Fuck. Frame rails are, yeah, pretty damaged too. Where the fuck is the other one? There. No, yeah. Yeah, so I have some work to do. Yeah, still a lot of work left. So we're here a few days after the fumes most likely have set. I'm just gonna take 10 minutes to remove the lines. Then we can start cut up the firewall. Yeah, there's a lot of shit in here right now, but the firewall needs to be cut. It pretty much will be over there we cut. How far back, I don't know yet. Maybe towards, yeah, the other seam sealer down here. That should be over 20 centimeters. Okay, I'm wrapping this up. Next time we try to shove the V12 back in. Hopefully closer to where it belongs. University starts in a few days, so uploads might slow down. And if I don't drown in study chaos, I'll try to be in the garage doing some progress on the V12 Miata. And if you wanna stick around to watch this mess unfold, hit subscribe and follow me on Instagram. You can find the Instagram down in the description, which is on culture. That's all for this time, and I'll see you in the third episode. Thank you.